This is going to be a video tutorial on how to show the Bookmarks bar on the DuckDuckGo web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the DuckDuckGo web browser opened up now. To hide or show the bookmarks bar, as you can see, my bookmark bar is not enabled right now. To enable it, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane, off to the left-hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. And then right down here, the center pane, it says Bookmarks Bar. If this box here is not checked, show Bookmarks Bar. If that's not checked, your Bookmarks Bar will not be showing. If it's checked, you can see my Bookmarks Bar just appeared up here. But that is how to enable the Bookmarks Bar in the DuckDuckGo web browser. Thanks for watching.